morning. Today we could have a look of our refrigerator truck. Here is the single truck power TX model, and we have the five units of the heavy duty truck here. And over there, the few models. We call it light truck, also the power model. We could have this for our African market. And now we have a look of this Howard TX model. We could see the temperature outside is around 12.5 degrees. And then we have a look of the control panel. Here the 13 degree is minus 19. And this is the temperature in the box, minus 18. Then we could have a look of the box inside. Here's the side door of the one box. We have test of the temperature outside is 11.8, 11.6 degrees. Then we open the door. So it's already minus 18, nearly minus 19.